Fall trends are my favorite trends. In today's video, I'll be walking you through all the trends, all the things, all the vibes that I'm seeing this fall. I'll also be sharing with you some of the content creators or influencers that inspire your girl every day, and especially this season. This season is where you pull out all the coats, the scarves, you're able to layer and really express yourself through your clothing, your accessories, and just the pure vibes of this time of year. If you're interested in this type of video, I hope you stick around. Let's jump right into the video. I absolutely love when you guys tell me that I inspire you in whichever shape or form, but I thought it would be a unique idea to share with you some of the people that inspire me on a daily basis. We're going to start off with no other than Tenicka B, and if you are not living under a rock, then you know that she is known for her expressive style, the way how she's able to incorporate colors by color blocking, absolutely the queen of colors, and she's able to not hide from colors, but actually dive in and use the most bold, vibrant, radiant colors to really pull a look together. She is honestly one of my favorite content creators. Not only is she a Black woman, she is very educated in her field, especially the field of fashion. I absolutely love her. And if we're going to talk about Tenicka B, then we have to talk about the infamous, I don't want to say high-low lux. She doesn't go by high-low lux anymore. Her name is Jenee Naylor. Obsessed with her. Like, she is one of those people who is able to pull different pieces and use juxtaposition to really use edgy, girly, soft, street style. Her personal style is truly personal. Like, I can see something and think like I would absolutely not be able to wear that, and then see her in it and how she's able to craft and create such a unique take on whatever is trending, but somehow make it her own. Next on the list is going to be someone that I talk about a lot on this channel. I think a lot of you guys already know that I'm obsessed with Lydia Millen. I love that woman. I love that white lady. She is my favorite white lady. I love her soft, feminine take on fashion, and I personally love her sense of style. I love her approach to traditional feminine fashion and the way how she's able to incorporate country living and country lifestyle with a feminine, elegant twist. Her style is so elevated, so timeless. When I look at Lydia Millen, I can place her in several periods in time and it wouldn't feel out of place. She's just able to seamlessly create a wardrobe that doesn't feel forced. It feels pared back, it feels elegant, it feels timeless, it feels quite bougie, and I'm all about that. If you are not new to the channel, you know that my aim is to show everyday women how they're able to elevate their personal style with small little tweaks that is not only attainable but also very fashionable. Next on the list is Charlotte Kamale. She goes by Charlie. Charlotte is more of your feminine sexy, but not raunchy. She's very tasteful. And if you like high fashion, but wearable high fashion, luxury designer brands, trendy pieces, but done in a very elevated way, Charlie is someone you should absolutely follow. I just love how she puts outfits together, even if it's not something that I think that I would personally wear, just how her mind works. I just love her take and how she's not afraid to be perceived as sexy, because she is sexy. Anytime I'm looking for inspiration to bring out that side or that part of me, I absolutely look to her for inspiration. The next person that really inspires me is Fabiana Christina. She's super thin, like she's super tiny, but what I like about her is the fact that she owns being a capsule wardrobe girly. For some reason, a capsule wardrobe these days seems boring, controversial, but I love a capsule wardrobe, and Fabiana Christina does it so well. I love her eye. I love what she gravitates towards, the simpler pieces, the more minimal aesthetic. She really does traditional, tailored, high quality pieces. I love how she's able to incorporate things that seems a little mundane or seems a little basic, but how she pairs it together really is inspirational to me. Now, there are so many other people that I would love to mention, but last and definitely not least is going to be Jess Salo, Louisa. I love her. She's here on YouTube. Again, another capsule wardrobe girly, another person who tries to be a conscious consumer. I truly believe in being a conscious consumer and being aware of what you're buying and why you're buying it, and not just constantly emotionally shopped. I love her style. I love her aesthetic. Also, another minimal girly. Not only is she just an amazing storyteller, content creator, bag enthusiast, if you love the idea of building a collection of bags in your wardrobe, then you're absolutely going to love Louisa. The time she takes into doing research to provide information that I find valuable and possibly you may find valuable too. I can go on and on and on about these women, but instead, I'll give you guys an opportunity to check them out. I'll be sure to link all their handles, either YouTube or Instagram pages, in the description below. Comment down below the people who are inspiring you this season, or just the people who are keeping you up to date in what's currently trending. Let me know in the comments. I would love to find new creators. The thing about fashion is always changing, but at the same time, it is cyclical. Things that we used to do or wear 10, 15 years ago is always coming around. But what is important is your personal take on fashion. So I'm just going to quickly share with you all the things that I've been researching, what's been coming across my feed on Pinterest or Instagram. I am always on Pinterest scrolling, always looking for ways to recreate and reinvent what I already have in my closet, and rightfully so. The first thing on the list is a structured blazer. Whatever color suits your boat, I personally believe that you need either a black or navy blazer. That is an item that is going to be so useful. You can dress up a simple t-shirt and jeans with a really beautiful structured blazer. Tailoring is so important in fall. You may be able to get away with certain things in the summer, but when it comes to the fall, structured blazers and structured oversized blazers are a must. Not only do I love a structured blazer, but this is something that is going to be a fall staple. You're going to have this and wear this every year. Since we're on the topic of a blazer, let's just dive right into a trench coat. I don't know about you, but I love a trench coat. I love a trench coat. The trench coat is just a fall staple. So in my research, I find that there are a few colors that are trending this fall, and one of them is cherry red. Either a cherry red or a burgundy. That was trending earlier this year for spring summer and is currently making its way over into fall winter. But at this point, I feel like cherry red or burgundy, that deep, darker tone of red, at this point, it's a staple. Another color, or should I say print, that I've seen on Instagram and I've also seen on Pinterest is leopard, or should I say animal print. Animal print seems to be very popular. Animal print is definitely trending this fall. I saw this all over the runway from basically every brand that you can think of. They're doing some sort of animal print, which means that it will filter down into your more mid-level contemporary fast fashion brands. This is the best time to get your hands on something, or maybe you have something in animal print in your wardrobe. This is your time to shine. Another thing that I see trending this fall is suede. And I mean anything suede. Suede bags, suede coats, suede trench, suede shoes. I recently picked up a pair of suede clogs and I actually really enjoy it. I also have to pull out a suede jacket that I have from Zara for years now. It has made the rotation pretty much every fall, I'd say, and for good reason. Suede is such a versatile texture or fabric. You can use it to juxtapose your outfit by pairing it with satin or jeans or other textures, which really is going to help to elevate your outfit. Suede is just a bougie texture. I'm very happy that suede is actually trending, even though I'm not necessarily a trendy girl. It's just one of those pieces that I truly enjoy. So when it's actually in season or people are wearing it a lot, I kind of feel like I'm ahead of the curve. I'm a trendsetter, if you will, because I absolutely love suede. And as mentioned earlier, clogs. Clogs, I feel like it is the more elevated bougie cousin to a Crocs. You know what I mean? It's more of a mule style where you can just slip your foot in. It's easy, it's quick for running errands, running out to get the mail or the paper or whatever you have to run out to do. I got a pair from TJ Maxx a couple weeks ago and I'm very happy I got it. It's just so easy to use. So the fact that I'm seeing it more and more is really interesting actually. I never thought there would be a day where as I'm wearing a clog, because it really isn't a cute shoe, to be honest, but I feel like it's more about comfort, how laid back a clog is. Oversized bags have been trending for, I believe, for the past 2 years. There was a complete switch from micro bags into oversized bags. I feel like ever since the roll became a thing and the Margot bag got so popular. Then Coach had a bag. I can't remember the name of the Coach bag. Oversized bags is what's in, and micro or tiny bags are a thing of the past. I personally don't necessarily follow trends as it comes to bags. However, I do personally believe that if you use trends as inspiration and not to replicate, to get you to incorporate a newer idea and using your personal style to create something that is authentic to you. My goal is to fill the gaps in my wardrobe, which means that not because it's trending means that you have to get it. Not because it's trending means that it's for you. Another thing that I saw that has been trending and is still trending is Ballerina Flats. Literally every brand on this earth has their take on the ballerina flat, whether it be high luxury designer brands or your mid contemporary down to your fast fashion brand. Every brand has some version of the ballerina flat. I don't think I have a ballerina flat in my wardrobe, nor do I feel like I need one. However, if that is a gap in your wardrobe, this is the time to stock up. Because it's so trendy and because it's so overdone, you're going to be able to find a really great pair of ballerina flats at any price point. You have them in every shape, color, texture you can think of. My favorite pair right now is from Steve Madden. I was thinking about getting it because I don't have one in my closet. I really had to ask myself, if I get this flat, how many times am I going to wear it this fall? I have a couple similar types of shoes in my wardrobe. If I really am honest about it, I don't need one. But that is it for now. Go ahead and comment down below some things that you've been seeing trending for the fall. I would love to hear it. I love to get some inspiration. Also, don't forget to share all the girlies that inspire you on a daily basis. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help the channel out. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post another video. And as always, until next time, love you, bye.